Having a comfortable environment to sleep in that's free of background noises is extremely important for a good night's rest. If you're someone who easily wakes up from car horns or conversations going on in the room next to you, then you should consider buying a sound machine. These machines are also commonly known as soft noise or white noise machines. Sound machines usually have sounds of rain or a white noise that blurs out the background sounds and helps you sleep soundly throughout the night. A sound machine is also a great tool for new parents, who often struggle to get their baby to sleep due to other noises in the house. Placing a sound machine in your child's room will help soothe and calm them so they can relax and fall to sleep naturally. So, if you're ready to get some well-deserved rest, we'll guide you through the leading sound machines of 2023 that will keep all your sleeping woes at bay. Number 1. HomeEdX Sound Machine. The HomeEdX Sound Machine is an economical option that's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around. Featuring 6 sound options, this sound machine gives you a variety of choices to suit your needs, giving you and your family a long, untroubled sleep. What's great is that this white noise machine comes with an auto timer that has 3 time options: 15 minutes, 30 minutes or 60 minutes. This timer either plays one selected sound or chooses 3 of your favorite ones. The package also includes an adapter and a quick instructional guide so you can easily set it up as you like. We've chosen this sound machine as our best overall pick thanks to its compact design, 6 relaxing sound options, and the option to power it with both an adapter and batteries. Number 2. Marpax Sound Machine. The Marpax Sound Machine is known for its quality in producing the best fan-like white noise to blur out all the background noises. It has been on the market since 1962 and is known for its efficiency. The machine has 2 options of adjusting tone and volume that perfectly mute out all the exterior sounds, giving you a peaceful environment to sleep in. It comes with a 101-night trial and 1-year warranty, providing you with a great customer experience. Simply plug in the 7-foot-long 120 volts AC cord, switch it on from the button and twist to adjust the volume and tone to your liking. It's that simple to use. Coming in a variety of colors, including white, pink, tan, camo and black, you can choose one to match your room. With 2 speed options for adjustable tone and volume, the DOM Classic excellently cancels background noise for better sleep for children, adults, office privacy, and soothing sound-sensitive pets. Number 3. Magic Team Sound Machine. The Magic Team Sound Machine comes with 20 non-looping sleeping sounds and is highly compact and lightweight. With 32 levels of volume, you can even set timers on this sound machine for 1 to 5 hours, giving you the option of continuous play. Solid-state design with 6.3-inch 4-inch 2.4-inch, it is portable for home, office or travel, can give you a perfect sleep. This white noise machine has the latest design and unique sound technologies, which makes it perfect to use at home, in the office, and while traveling. Featuring amazing options to give you a great night's sleep, this sound machine also has a memory feature, which stores the previous settings and plays them once you restart it. This machine is powered by AC power or USB and is approved by FCC, CE, and RoHS to make it safe and accident-free. Number 4. Hatch Rest Sound Machine. The Hatch Rest Sound Machine is an all-in-one solution to your peaceful sleep. This is a customizable machine which allows you to adjust its light color, brightness, volume and 11 tones from your phone. Plus, it also has patterns to match your room or child's nursery. The handy sound machine provides a perfect ambient white noise sound, which has specifically been designed through scientific research to help you fall asleep. Smart Night Light. Fun, bedside lamp with infinite custom color hues. Perfect for boys or girls. Illuminate the crib and changing table to ease nighttime infant feedings. Make the dark less scary in your child's room with a calming glow. Featuring a soft light to aid mothers while they feed their babies, this sound machine even comes with a toddler lock and stackle feature to ensure safety. Not only can you control it from your phone using the Hatch Sleep app, it also has simple touch buttons that make it a breeze to use. Number 5. Big Red Rooster Sound Machine. The Big Red Rooster Sound Machine is a 6-sound white noise machine. The device operates on an AC adapter and 3 AA batteries, which you'll have to purchase separately. Easy to use, this sound machine has all the controls on top of the device and the speakers are on the front. The volume is adjustable and is perfect for masking background noise. This sound machine also has 3 timer buttons with a 4th one that turns the timer off. Perfect for adults, babies, and toddlers. You can even use this noise machine for meditation and yoga. Thanks to its light and compact design, You can easily take it to different places.